All right, welcome to my first little tutorial. This one is going to be on the Rarible NFT art community. This is a very big, heavily saturated art community, but also a great place for beginners to put up their art and learn what NFT, or non-fungible token, means, how to mint an NFT token and list a piece of artwork like I have here. This is a piece that I first listed recently. Glad that loaded so you can see that. Now what we're going to do is you go up here, you can see your account. This is my account. Feel free to follow me. I'll connect back with you as long as you're over here. And we're going to go to create. Now today we could create the single NFT, or we could create multiple NFTs. This is for like a one of one, or just one of a kind. And multiple is going to be for limited edition. And we are going to create one from scratch here. I already had one going today, so it saves that for you, luckily. That's nice. And we're going to go in here, we're going to choose our file. And we're going to choose, let's see. I choose this guy, this little galactic coin that I made here. They're galactic coins that we're giving away on our website. You can check out our website, www.clairvoyantalliance.art. And we're giving away 1,000 of these for anyone that signs up on our email list. Thinking about putting this up on the NFT community on Rarible, but we'll see. Go down here and you want to go to put on sale, of course. Instant sale price, we'll change that. And we'll make these 0.03 Ethereum. You can do different currencies here. Looks like they have DAI, Rari tokens, and another form of different tokens that you can sell or get paid for when you put your art up for sale on Rarible. Now, this button here, unlock, once purchased, they can redeem for a file, or they can get a physical copy of the artwork that you're selling if that's a part of it, but we're not going to do that. This is just a digital file, and people are going to be allowed to resell it on Rarible. We're going to call this Galactic Coin. Put a little bit of a description in here. Take me to the moon. And then you can adjust the royalties down here at the bottom. You can put it up to, say, 20%. The number of copies, since this is not a one of a kind, we're going to make it 100. So it'll say over here, you got your price, which 0.029 Ethereum, or 0.03 Ethereum, is 48.41 USD. So that's how much you'll sell each one for. There's 100 of them here. And then some other optional things that you put. But we're just going to go ahead and create. Show you how to mint the token now. This is the process of paying for the NFT and publishing it to the blockchain. Go to mint token. You can see our wallet MetaMask pops up over here, and we do not have quite enough in our account, but you can see the total over here is 76.64, which is pretty expensive. We're going to reject this order and back out. And it'll go ahead and save this for later if I want to create it later, but that is our tutorial for today on the Rarible governance token and posting NFT art.